Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm giving the source code of round E2022 because of coloring game and the students and mentors problem. So first of all, coloring game. So I attempted this code, coloring game code, successfully. I give you this code in I will give you this code in description. You can download from code and select the language Java 11 Open JDK. So after this I also created a code of students and mentors. Okay, so this is about a problem and this is input output. So in this case he was showing three students with the rating of 1500 and 1900. This is about. So I give you the code of student and mentors also in description. This is the code that I have give you in description. Okay, so what you have to do is to select language of Java. You can see here Java 11 Open JDK. So you can see now the code are selected. So when I run submit attempt, so you can see here this is attempting one pending. We are checking the code. Yes, wow, our code is completed and this our code is running. I'll give you this code link in description, so please make sure to subscribe my channel. And you have and if you have to see the code of solution number 3, so please subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching this video. uh, Subscribe my channel. Bye.